At Lower Fort Garry, they've installed a geothermal heat pump in the museum building. It takes advantage of the natural temperature of underground water to heat and cool that building.
Another aspect of the project we've done here at Lower Fort Garry National Historic Site is a geothermal supply heating and cooling system for the museum building within our historic grounds. As you can see, this is the area where we have our supply and return wells installed, and as you notice, there is no intervention really noticeable on this site except for the sodding, which is going to actually take place after. What we have underneath here is a supply and return well to a depth of approximately 300 feet and allows us to supply our raw water feed for heating and cooling of the building. So right now we're currently in the basement of the museum building at Lower Fort Garry National Historic Site of Canada. As you've seen earlier, we showed you locations of our two supply and return wells that basically provide us the groundwater source for our heat pump system here. What you see here is a raw water supply line coming into the building, and basically through these distribution pumps, in combination with the glycol feed system, we put both of these mediums into our heat pump system, and it allows us to get a natural heat coefficient reduction or increase, whatever required to heat or cool the building depending on the season. What happens is we bring the raw water in with the glycol feed. We have a heat exchange process. If it's plus 30 outside, the water's at 4 degrees Celsius. It allows us to have a 26-degree change in temperature, so we can cool down. Vice versa, if we're looking at heating the building in the wintertime, when the outside air is minus 30, the raw water is at 4 degrees Celsius, we get a transfer of about 34 degrees Celsius. What this system allows us to do, and as you can see we have multiple units here, is take an old inefficient system that was originally installed in the 60s and that was about approximately 50% efficient, and replace it with a green technology, a modern technology that allows us the capability to utilize systems as we need them on the occupancy use of the building. Also, what we've incorporated in here is a very user-friendly system, low maintenance, compact design that allows us a better ease of operation.